Alright guys, AP Microeconomics practice question 13 looks like this. The market demand curve for a good is represented by the following equation. Quantity demanded is equal to 150 minus 5p. And the market supply curve for a good is represented by the following equation. Quantity supplied is equal to 10p. What is the equilibrium quantity that will be traded in this competitive market? Is it A, 15, B, 30, C, 50, D, 100, or E, 150. Now if you want to solve this yourself, pause the video here, figure it out, let me know in the comments, because we're about to take it up in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so there's a variety of ways to solve this, but let me show you what I think is the easiest and most efficient way. Could you do guess and check? Absolutely. Do I recommend it? Not necessarily, because the way to solve this conventionally is pretty quick and easy. Remember that at equilibrium, quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied. And so I can just set the quantity demanded and quantity supplied equations equal to each other. And that's going to give me 150 minus 5p is equal to 10p. And if I rearrange to get all of the p's on the right-hand side, it gives me 150 is equal to 15p. And now I can divide both sides by 15 and find that the equilibrium price is equal to 10. Now all I need to do is take this equilibrium price and substitute it into the demand or the supply equation. It doesn't matter which one, because no matter which one I plug it into, it's going to give me the same answer. The quantity traded in equilibrium is 100 units. Did you get this one right by yourself? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in question 14.